The makeup business is doing very well online in this digital age. People are constantly being bombarded with beauty content, from makeup tutorials on YouTube to star skincare tips on Instagram. Beauty brands need a strong digital marketing plan to stand out in this crowded field. This complete guide will teach you everything you need to know to take over the digital world and make your beauty business a huge success. We'll talk about how to understand your audience, write interesting material, master social media, and use data to make your marketing more effective. First, let's talk about why it's important for beauty brands to have a clear digital marketing plan in this day and age. Why beauty brands should have a strong digital marketing strategy. The beauty business depends on getting to know customers and making them loyal to a brand. In this day and age, this means having a smart online presence that gets people to interact with you and your products and make sales. Your beauty business will be stronger with a clear digital marketing plan. More people will know about your brand. Get your name out there and make it known as a leader in the beauty space. Digital marketing lets you reach your ideal customers on a lot of different online platforms, which makes your business much more visible. For those interested in a more hands-on approach, our customized marketing course for the beauty sector walks you through these strategies using real-life examples from successful beauty companies. The course link is in the description and the first pinned comment. Better customer engagement. Connect with your viewers on a deeper level. You can learn about your customers' wants and needs by responding to their comments, reviews, and interactive material on social media. This builds community. Targeted marketing. Don't just focus on groups. Digital marketing tools can help you learn a lot about how and what your audience likes to do online. This lets you make sure that your messages and material are more effective with certain groups of customers, making your campaigns more effective overall. Measurable results. Keep track of your success and make your plan work better. Digital marketing is different from standard marketing because it gives you a lot of data and analytics. You can keep an eye on website traffic, social media engagement, and conversion rates to see how well your efforts are doing and make decisions about how to make them better based on the data. Increase sales and income. Turn people who interact with you online into loyal buyers. A good digital marketing plan brings people to your website and online shops, which means you make more sales and money. Targeted advertising, influencer relationships, and good product promotion can all help your bottom line a lot. Encourage brand advocacy. Inspire satisfied customers to endorse your brand. By making material that is interesting and encouraging positive interactions online, you can get customers to talk about their experiences and tell others about your brand. This will help you build a strong network of brand advocates. Today's beauty industry is very competitive, so you need a strong digital marketing plan to stay in business and be successful. You can connect with your audience, build brand loyalty, and make the most of the power of the digital world for your beauty business. Figuring out who your beauty audience is in the digital age. It's important to know who your ideal customer is in the vast world of the internet before you start writing content and building your online profile. Why researching your audience is so important for the digital marketing success of your beauty brand. Targeted content creation. You can make content that meets the wants and interests of your audience if you know about their demographics, interests, and online behavior. This makes sure that your messages and images are current and interesting, which increases their impact. Effective communication. Making the speech and tone of your brand fit the people you want to reach makes it easier to connect with them. If you know the online language and chosen communication style of your audience, you can talk to them directly and build trust and a relationship with them. Strategic platform choice. Different social media sites are better for different types of people and their hobbies. If you know where the people in your target group hang out online, you can put your efforts where they will have the most impact. When you put in the time and effort to understand your digital beauty audience, you build a strong base for creating a targeted and effective digital marketing plan. As you implement these strategies, remember our customized marketing course for the beauty sector is designed to guide you through with real-life examples. Don't miss out. Find the course link in the description and the first pinned comment.